Often we face different problems using an app. Today we will discuss one such problem that can stop your installation from further process. If you are facing this problem during installing Photoshop, here is the solution for the problem. This problem you facing is because that you have Internet Explorer opened and your PC. Just close that and click Try Again. To close an app, press Ctrl+Shift+S button from your keyboard. Choose the process you want to close, and press the Close button below. Click Try Again. Choose the destination folder where you want to install Photoshop. The installation is in progress. Here you are done. Thanks for watching.